Welcome everyone. This is Ali, semi trucking, DIY, truck driver, and owner operator. Today I'm having to test some batteries, and I'll show you how to do that, guys. It's really easy. The main thing you have is you need to have the tool, and I will show you also my cool dolly here. It's really cool, guys. Where this can go away like that makes the job real easy. Okay. Then this. Then I will replace. You see these batteries right there? I took them off because I have to test them. And they are good. I'll keep them. Let me get my stand quick because it might take 5 minutes or 6 minutes to do this. Okay, it's time to flip the camera, the phone, and hang it right there. All right, guys. And this is my battery tester. I have a long time ago, so it tells me where it should be weak, bad, you know. That's all. So it's a good tester. Dirty. Heavy, guys. So when you do this, expect they are heavy. Oh, this one's still good. So that's the 4 batteries, guys. So cleaning time, guys. Cleaning time. So if you don't like cleaning, this job a lot of cleaning, guys. Start whatever you want to. A lot of my air broke down, guys. That's already half the job, guys. Well, garbage better because there might be something stuck, and this is really strong blowing air. 100 psi or 90 psi. I do for my tools, you know. I have no idea where is the handle. One time, guys, clean your battery. Between the positive and the negative power supply. Try your best to clean it really good. Inspect your batteries every 6 months. Too important, guys, to have a good voltage, good batteries to your truck, guys. Make sure you inspect your truck every 6 months if you're running microwave, whatever, inverter, this kind of stuff. Clean your batteries every 6 to 1 year, guys. It's recommended that every year you're replacing your battery, but if you keep up the maintenance, it will last with you 2 years with no issues, guys. So I had a Freightliner long time ago, the first truck I bought. And the batteries, guys, lasted with me 2 years. I never thought, start thinking that I need to replace the battery, guys. Let me show you how it looks. See that? They are like 8 months or 7 months old. So I took them off to clean them, guys, and to fix my cables and all that lines, clean them, replacing terminals, all that. So when you get your batteries down, guys, just clean them, inspect your terminals, your cables, and anything it needs to be replaced, replace it. Don't let it like get worse, because once you start getting low voltage, it gets your ECU start reading wrong, you know, and it will pop up codes for you that you don't know what they are. I'm telling you from experience, and I want you to avoid all that, guys. I'm sorry it took longer, but yeah, so important. Sorry. Now is the time to check them one by one. Remember, you have plus and you have negative. You have plus, you have negative. Plus, always red. Okay? And negative, always black. Right now, it tells me my truck, right there, we got 12 volt of sun, which is on the green. This is a good battery right there. If you can read, it's on the green, guys. That's a good battery. So this battery is good. All right. Let's move to another. With the gray one, with the black one, the same power. That's really good, guys. Oh, there's something wrong here. Careful, man. Oops. Totally has, like I said, guys, make sure the black on the negative, guys, and the red on the plus. You see, even me, I made a mistake, you know. It's a good same power. It's really good. That's a plus. Everyone can make a mistake, and that's really good batteries. They all good, same power, same everything. And I can put the load on these batteries. You see, by pushing this, it stays weak now. Keep it for 10 seconds. Of course, once it start charging, you know, it will be good. But main thing, it's on green, and once you put the load on, it tells you it's weak. That still, it's a good battery. It's just weak. Needs, once you put it there and start your truck, the alternator, and builds the power up, you know. Yeah. So got all good batteries, guys, and that's all we need to do for a good batteries, or to make your battery test. And thanks y'all for being here and watching this, and hope this helps you. And If you don't mind, guys, so if you like this, subscribe and like if you want to. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.